All right, court's on the record, Commerce City Municipal Court for February 11th of 2020, the 10 o'clock docket. Let's see. So, do I have Ruby Montelongo?
Yes, this is me.
If you would unmute. And Mr. Rivore, if you would mute your device, please.
Mute, okay.
All right. On the record in case number 285779 regarding Ruby Montelongo. All right, let's see. Back on May 1st of 2019, you pled guilty to an ordinance violation. I didn't impose any fine. I imposed court costs and ordered you to do a petty theft class. When you failed to comply by turning in the proof of the petty theft class on time or paying the court costs, I issued a warrant for your arrest. We received an email from you about this case, and I sent a referral for you to be able to do the class and notice about the court costs, including the warrant fee, and indicated that I would hear this by Zoom. I now have proof that you did the class. Why didn't you file this with us back in 2019?
I was dealing with a lot of medical problems, including anxiety, and it was just getting hard for me to go places. I also can share my screen to show you that if you need to.
No, that's fine. I believe you. I just wish you had done it sooner.
I do too.
Yeah, because then, you know, the warrant wouldn't have issued. This wouldn't be showing up on your record. Carmen?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Alma, are you able to tell me how much she owes today? Is it $79? She's going to check.
Okay.
And I'll go ahead and cancel the warrant today.
Thank you.
All right. How long are you going to need before you can pay the $79?
I can pay it on the 15th.
Okay. My clerk will give you information on how to do it online, a site pay. I'll go ahead and cancel the warrant today. And then obviously the case won't be closed until you pay the outstanding court costs, which is $79. And I'll give you.
Thank you.
I'll give you until, let's see, today is, you said you could pay it on the 15th?
Mm-hmm.
I'll give you until the 18th to pay it, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right. When you leave the meeting, my clerks will be in contact with you about the notice to pay and how to pay it on site pay online, okay?
Okay.
Right.
Thank you so much.
You are free to leave the meeting. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mm-hmm. All right. On the record regarding Alvin, was it Revoir? Is that how you say it? Go ahead and unmute.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Let's see. All right. Back on June 17th of 2020 at 9:15 in the morning in the area of the 7200 block of Highway 85, 72nd Highway 85, you were charged with spilling a load on a roadway, failure to cover or serve, a 0-point violation. A police officer gave you your copy of the blue ticket, indicated to you that you would receive your court date by mail, and or if you hadn't within 21 days, to call the court. Let's see, it looks like the mailing went out, did not come back to us. as returned mail or undeliverable. You failed to appear on September 9th of 2020. I entered a default against you with a fine of $25 plus surcharges and court costs. What's taken you so long to contact the court?
Well, when the officer came to me, I don't remember him giving me any slip, and he said, you'll receive something in the mail.
It would have been your blue copy of the ticket. That's what he served on you.
Oh, okay, that's what he mailed me?
No, that's what he handed you. The mail would have been the notice of the court date.
Okay. I don't remember him handing me any copy of the ticket when I was there.
Yeah, this
And
is
he-
what it says is
Okay,
he handed you, well, what it is proof of service of your copy of the ticket, which is typically blue.
okay.
Nonetheless, I can't reopen a case that's from September 9th of 2020. You would have had to file your request by November 9th of 2020 for me to reopen this case. It's a zero-point violation, so it shouldn't show up on your driver's license. You just owe the outstanding fine, although I guess technically a block can be put against your driver's license. You have a CDL?
No,
No? Then it shouldn't be that big of a deal. Yeah, it's too old for me to reopen. Again, your blue copy of the ticket would have directed you to contact my court if you didn't receive it in the mail. We have 3248 South Cathay Circle, Aurora, Colorado 80013 is the address that we mailed the notice to, which presumably he got off your driver's license.
right, and that's correct.
Yeah, I don't know why you didn't get it.
I don't either.
What brought it to your attention now?
Well, I remembered I had gotten the ticket. I had called back in December. I called the court because I called the police station. They said, well, there's a court case. Here's the case number. So then I called the court. Nobody answered in, I think it was somewhere around December. So then I called again just recently, and I got an answer, and then so I'm just trying to clear it up now.
Yeah, at this point, I can't reopen the case. You're just going to have to pay it in full, and then we'll close the case out against you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So when you leave the meeting, my clerks will get in contact with you at the address that you registered for the meeting on. They'll let you know what the total is. Once it's paid in full, then any hold against you, well, there really isn't a hold against you because you don't have a CDL. So the case will show as completed and closed. Okay?
Okay.
They may not be able to get back to you today. They probably will get back to you for sure by tomorrow.
And they're going to call me or?
No, they're going to, whatever email address you registered with,
Email. Okay.
they'll send you the notice of
Okay.
what it is and a due date. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
Thank you.
All right. You can leave the meeting.
Okay. Bye. None of these were on the docket. Well, Mr. Mutter wasn't from the docket either? No, you're right. Yeah, Christina Sharkady was, though. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna go off the record. Well, people, no, just leave it on. I mean, we'll close it up at 11. I loved that movie.
I did too. Well,
Mr. Boutte.
yeah, right. So like, I was just thinking that. For some reason, I'm like scrolling around, and it was on.
I don't know why they didn't make a sequel. Talk a movie that was perfect for a sequel.
I felt like the last 15 minutes, I barely remembered anything. And I've always remembered wherever you go, there you are.
Hmm. And, you know,
It's so good. Plus, it was just so like
right,
Goldblum
played,
as a cowboy.
right, played Jeff Goldblum, though. I mean, he always plays Jeff Goldblum.
But I'm just saying, like,
Was it Peter Weller was Buckaroo Banzai? But, you know, the thing about him is from there, I think he went to RoboCop.
well, I looked him up.
Hmm.